The competency hearing is underway for Shaquille Taylor. He's the man accused of killing Belmont student Julian Ludwig.
Yeah, she was hit in the head by a stray bullet back in November 2023. She was out on a run in Edge Hill. Our Dryden Quigley is at the courthouse where her friends and family have been listening to testimony today.
This competency hearing is to determine if Shaquille Taylor will be fit to stand trial for the murder of Julian Ludwig. We watched today as friends, family, psychologists, and psychiatrists all testified about his mental state and his competency. We learned that since he was just a year and a half old, caregivers already had concerns about Taylor's development. He was placed in a special school and diagnosed with an intellectual disability.
If you think about what a typical 18-month-old is able to do in terms of language is very little, and yet his deficits were so severe and so obvious that even relative to other 18-month-olds who don't have a command of language yet, it was obvious that Mr. Taylor was not developing at the same sort of pathway as they were.
Because he's been in the legal system starting at 15 years old, they have a lot of data and background on him, which is why the hearing is lasting for hours. He was most recently found incompetent to stand trial for other charges back in 2023 and was released, which is when he allegedly killed Jillian.
Do you think at this point Mr. Taylor could be made competent through the use of disability accommodations?
I don't, and I think, again, and it's probably the nature of the disagreement, is that my opinion is that he does not have the capacity.
Now the family has made it clear that they want him to be found competent to stand trial. At points, they were audibly frustrated with some of the testimony. The hearing lasted the entire day today and will go on tomorrow. That's likely when we'll get a decision. In downtown Nashville, Dryden Quigley, WSB4.